committed to transforming the lives of San Antonio, Bexar County, and South Texas. And what that means for us is equipping our graduates with the tools they'll need to shape the health conditions of those communities so that they and those around them live more healthily. We believe that if we do our job of equipping students with the tools they need, that these learners will go out and teach others how to be healthy, and through their work impact the communities that they live, work, and play in. And so it's really important for us to get that right. And so for us, that means setting up an operation that's fully committed to student services and serving students. We're very passionate about making certain that students understand that by coming to this school relative to another school, that students are going to get a very tailored educational experience, a very practical educational experience, and an educational experience that will shape their lives forever.